So here's a practice you can try using the power of intention. Every night before you go to bed, just take a few moments out for yourself to just sit down and close your eyes with gentle inhale and gentle exhale, and bring yourself to a calm state. And once you're in that calm state, you set the intention for tomorrow. Whatever it is, you give gratitude for today, for the day that has been, and set the intention for tomorrow. What it is that you want tomorrow. How would you like to be a creator for your tomorrow? So tomorrow I'm going to be wonderful. Tomorrow I'm going to be feeling healthier. Tomorrow I'm going to be positive. Tomorrow I'm going to be joyful. Tomorrow I'm going to be peaceful. Whatever it is that you want to be, you set that intention and then watch what happens tomorrow. With this practice, what you're doing is you're sending out this beautiful energy for yourself that you are going to walk into tomorrow.